Today let me show you how to customize a plotly graph. Reusing the previous example of interactive plotting, let's add more code to it. Here you can find some reference pages. For the first data trace, let's display only the markers. Use these lines of code to define how the marker will look like. We use red color. The marker will be displayed as a cross symbol, with size of 20. The contour of the marker will be in blue color with width of 2. Label the data with name of Alice. The second data trace will be displayed with both markers and a line. The markers will be in black color with width 5. The line will be in cyan color with dot style. Label the data trace with name of Mary. Having defined how each data trace will be displayed, let's move on to define the layout of the graph. Add a title to the graph. For x-axis, we show only 3 tick values of 0, 2, and 4. Instead of showing the value directly, we convert the tick value into text, as Sunday, Tuesday, and Thursday. This line of code limits the range of the x-axis between 0 and 5. In order to display the border lines at the top and bottom of the diagram, let's enable the show line flag and mirror flag for x-axis. We also enable the show line flag for y-axis. Without enabling the mirror flag, only the left border line will be shown. Now comes to legend. Here, we show legend at middle of the x-axis, and 10% below the y-axis. The legend is horizontally aligned to center, and vertically aligned to top. Finally, you can define the margin of the diagram. Use the customize layout as the third argument when calling the plot function. Register the node. Save the file, reload the editor, add the node. You can see the figure customized to your need. Let's stop here. Thanks for watching. Please give your thumb up if this video is useful. Thanks.